So I see everyone's in. I'm ready to start it up. You can feel free to look up on the screen and you can see how people are going. But you would hear the sound effects on my computer as well. 10 questions. Good luck. Know who needs to work it. So looking across, I can see what Lindy needs the most help with. Kelly, congratulations. You won that round. And
well, I wouldn't have if Kim's number 2 had shown up. She would have beat me.
Maybe.
She got all right, and I did. Good job, Kim.
Well, Kim, good job to both of you. Well, now I need to save the data. If you don't save data from Quizizz, it disappears. It's kind of like with Zondle or Kahoot. You can always go back and check your pre-existing one. With this, you got to download it right then and there. So I'm going to save my data now so I can keep it. And this can help me make up more of a detailed decision for next time. And I'm going to save it to my desktop. It's going to make it a spreadsheet. And I'm going to pull this up and it opens up. And here we have overall score. So this is much more detailed now. I get percentage-wise, so 73% of the class. That was your grade on here. There was 1 unattempted, so apparently that was yours, Kim. So apparently it said you didn't attempt it somehow. I don't know what happened to it, but
can you change
they got a grade.
Can you put,
sure, I could change it to a 0 or a 1.
Can you change and put an answer in?
Yeah, I could.
Give her credit for it.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, if she brought your iPad up,
sure.
And said, look, I did it.
Yeah, absolutely. I can definitely do that for her.
And then it would give her credit for it.
Mm-hmm.
But your thing up there shows the answer we put. Our thing on our computer just tells us the correct answer.
Right. Okay.
So this
I'm just trying to match the two things.
Yeah, so I can go across. So my question I asked you guys was your comfort level with Edpuzzle. So if you put just a bit, or I think the other one was a little, you were wrong, and I made that marked wrong because I can easily flag this and say, okay, these 3 teachers are just a little bit comfortable with Edpuzzle. I need to work with them first thing next Thursday. These 3 can independently explore this app and the digital content, and they can make their own stuff because they don't need me as much right now. These 3 do. Okay? So there's your score. There's your average. Bing, bam, boom. I would fix that for Kim. And look, Kim, it even says here you got 100.
Yeah.
So, again, it's not 100% reliable, especially when it comes to you. And I know you have all your numerous issues. But I just wanted to take the time to show you that. And now that the Hangout is nearly over,